Hey, wealth builders. Welcome to Convert to Cash Flow, Real Wealth with Co-Living, the YouTube series that helps you turn properties into a high cash flow, low hassle income stream. Whether you're just starting your real estate journey, trying to figure out how to increase your return on investment, or you've recently gone through a major shift like a layoff or downsizing, this series is for you. Let's talk about why co-living might be the smartest move you can make right now. Co-living is the practice of renting out individual rooms in a home instead of renting the entire home to one family. But this isn't just having a roommate. It's an intentional strategy to increase income, decrease vacancy, and maximize every square foot of your property. Let me give you a quick example. Say you had a 4-bedroom home that rents for about $2,000 a month to one family. You could potentially bring in $900 or more per room if you rented them individually. That's $3,600 a month, or nearly double the cash flow that you were looking to get at first. Those rates are even higher in high median income urban areas like Washington, D.C. and California, where you're seeing rooms being rented for $1,500 or more. And it still makes sense for those people because the regular rental rates are so much higher than $2,000 a month. So just imagine, depending on what market you're in, you could make $6,000, $8,000, $10,000 a month by renting your property by the room, depending on how big it is and what area you're in. Why is this rental model booming right now? Because the market is completely squeezed. Interest rates are high, home prices are high, and many renters simply can't afford full units anymore. Co-living gives them a lower cost way to live, and it gives you more financial freedom and flexibility. This is also a powerful strategy if you're a homeowner with a basement, a garage, or even a spare room just sitting empty. How many of us have that in our house right now? That extra space could become a steady stream of income for you. Support your lifestyle, your family, and your freedom. And if you've been affected by job cuts, especially in the government, this could be the backup plan or the launch pad you didn't even know you needed. Before we go any further, guys, if you're just getting started with real estate or you recently started your YouTube channel, drop a me in the comments or your channel name. Let's support each other and grow the Wealth Builder community together. I'll be subscribing back and showing love to each and every one of you. Also, check out the links in my bio for the exact furniture, content, tools, books, and resources I personally use. Some of those are affiliate links, including Amazon. As an associate affiliate, I may earn from those purchases, but I only recommend what I use and believe in. This is just episode 1 of a 5-part series with an extra fun bonus video coming your way. So make sure you click that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss when the next video drops. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to convert your home legally and profitably for co-living without breaking any zoning laws or losing sleep. Let's build real wealth together. See you in the next video.